Hello, I'm Arisa with AMOS Tax Services, LLC. On this channel, I'll explain IRS issues, tax problems, and business tax topics in plain language so business owners can better understand how the tax system works. In this video, we're going to talk about why many profitable small businesses are surprised when they suddenly owe the IRS thousands of dollars at tax time. In many cases, the tax return itself was not wrong. The real issue usually comes from how taxes are calculated throughout the year. Pay-as-you-go tax system. Many profitable small businesses are surprised when they suddenly owe the IRS thousands of dollars at tax time. In many cases, the tax return itself was not wrong. The real issue is that taxes were never paid throughout the year. The United States tax system is what is called a pay-as-you-go system. That means taxes are supposed to be paid as income is earned, not just when the tax return is filed. Employees usually satisfy this requirement through withholdings, and each paycheck has federal and sometimes state taxes withheld, which are sent to the government throughout the year. The next thing is why businesses fall behind. Well, business owners operate differently. Instead of withholding, they are generally required to make estimated tax payments throughout the year. These payments are typically made quarterly and are intended to cover the taxes owed on business income. When estimated payments are missed or underestimated, the balance continues to build until the tax return is eventually filed. Another common reason businesses suddenly owe the IRS is that income may increase during the year, but tax planning does not adjust quickly enough. The next thing that you should know is that the bookkeeping connection is very important. Bookkeeping is another major factor. And when bookkeeping is not current, it becomes very difficult to understand how much income the business is actually generating. Without accurate financial records, it is also difficult to estimate how much tax should be paid during the year. For example, if income increases but bookkeeping has not been updated, the business owner may not realize that estimated tax payments should be increased. This often leads to a situation where the business appears profitable, but taxes have not been paid, have not been properly reserved. The next thing is how tax balances grow. Profit does not always mean cash is available to pay taxes. A business may reinvest money into equipment, inventory, payroll, or other expenses. Even though those decisions may help the business grow, the tax obligation can still exist. When estimated payments are missed, bookkeeping is not current, and planning has not taken place during the year, a large balance can appear when the tax return is filed. At that point, interest and penalties may begin accruing on the balance. If the balance remains unresolved, the IRS may begin sending notices requesting payment. How businesses prevent this? This is why many business owners feel like the tax problem appeared suddenly. In reality, the situation usually develops gradually throughout the year. And the best way to prevent this situation is through consistent bookkeeping and regular tax planning. When financial records are updated regularly and estimated taxes are reviewed throughout the year, business owners can make adjustments before a large tax bill appears. This approach helps businesses avoid surprises and maintain better control over their financial situation. Now, for more explanations of small business tax issues and IRS problems, hit the subscribe button. And again, this is RSA with AMOS Tax Services, LLC. Thank you.